How's it going today, boys? So today, what we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna rock the BG hoodie like usual. Amazing. No. So today what we're doing is, I'm going to Florida. Woo! Getting out of the cold, man. I'm getting out of this blistering freaking cold. Look at this. Look at this crap. Who wants to be here, man? I don't have no snowmobile right now, and I don't want to be here, so I'm going to Florida. My parents are down there now. I'm going to go visit them, say what up. Hopefully meet some of you guys down there. We're going to go check out Fort Lauderdale. Today's gonna be up. We haven't done a vlog in a minute, so we're gonna go vlog just what I'm doing. So, as you guys can see, it's pouring out snow, and I don't hate the snow. I actually like the snow, but when you're here for, I don't know, I haven't left Michigan in like 2 years, so I haven't left due to work and everything, and I'm excited, man. So go check out Fort Lauderdale, and you already know I'm gonna meet Justice up down there. Justice is gonna be down, and Stuart, we're gonna link up. It's gonna be a hilarious vlog with him. So where's Uber at? It's cold. There he is. You press your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt the breath was taken. We were about to make it. So right now we're gonna go get some Chick-fil-A. Never had it before. We're gonna try it out. See how it goes. A little excited, to be honest with you. Never had it in my life. I'm gonna be honest with you. It was not that good. I was kind of disappointed. Fries are good, and the sandwich sucked, so.
I just need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken. We were about to make it, 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 to make it, to make it, to make
Out here, it is nice and warm and wet, so we're gonna get picked up right now with the SS, and we're gonna rock and roll, boys. Let's go. This pitch is trolling people. It's hilarious. Check us out. Watch. This is his own little dude. Got the right there. Ooh, sucker. That's how you get picked up from the airport right there. Yeah, so yesterday I didn't record too much. It was kind of shitty out and everything, but look where we're at. Beautiful, nice, decent day out here in Florida, in Fort Lauderdale, and we're actually gonna head to Miami right now and go check our boat show out. Some yachts and everything, so it's pretty crazy. So, and let's keep moving, boys. Ready? Now let's shoot. sunglasses. What the heck? Now the reason that we are going to the fort, can't even hear me. Well, we are going to Miami to see a boat show, and because I want to see some yachts. So. Now this is the type of construction I want to be doing. I like to build. I want to build buildings. I don't want to crap concrete. Look at that cat though, son. 330D. Ooh-wee. That's sucker. I do not want to live in Michigan anymore. I'm sick of it. After being here, oh. Yeah, Michigan, you suck. Walk up to the boat show right now. Woo. So those binoculars over there, we just looked down there. We just looked down there, all the way down. You could see people work on the building. It was nuts. Vlogging? Yep. Wanna be on it?
What I think it's
I don't know. We were doing it. I didn't get your name though. So.
It's Joanna.
Joanna.
And I'm a realtor, but I'm working the Miami boat show. What's up?
Shout it out. There you go. What are you selling? What are you doing?
I'm
We're in the boat show. I don't know where the hell we're at, but this man is not happy. My mustache and beard is long and gross, and there is electric bicycles. Are you kidding me? Come on. What is going on here? 527 horse. Holy crap. So to be honest with you, I didn't know they were like a boxer engine. I really was kind of confused on how they were put in here. You can see obviously crank, piston, head. My camera keeps breaking. You can see it. The camera's gonna break again though. But oh, hasn't broken yet. Camera keeps turning off. Sorry guys. But check these fuckers out. These are wild.
72 mile an hour, 40,000 pounds.
They're sick as fuck. See that turbo on there? You probably can't even see it. Wild. This is nuts. Dude, look at this thing. Twin turbo, V8, 2 V8 twin turbos. It's wild. Holy crap, look at this thing, huh? Oh my god. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Holy shit. Look at that boat, dude. This is like what I would get. Blacked out with a red interior. That's a huge boat. And it comes with its very own AMG. Yeah, that is fucking wild. Look at that bitch. Not a crazy one here. Explain how big this show really is. It's like a mile, dude. It's wild. This is sweet. What is this? Is that electric?
Yeah, any
Get out of here. I am not used to all this. I don't come from $1 million boats everywhere, so it's crazy to me. Holy crap. The boats that I see usually are like 25, 30 feet. These are all like 50 or something. I don't even know. Look at this thing. How crazy that is. What the hell? Like, look how wild this is, bro. 4 400s. Oh my lord. Just for this little thing, look at that. $146,000, $813. Just for this little boat. What can you guys imagine that black one costs? I don't even know, probably $3 million, honestly. This right here is my style boat. This is my style boat, all blacked out. Holy shit, okay. Look at these. Oh, I don't belong over here. I don't belong. He doesn't like these, but this is what I like right here. Fountain 76, baby. These just go hard. Look at that one's all carbon fiber. Come on. Holy shit, these go hard, cuz. You kidding me? Look at this post, all carbon fiber. That is crazy. That is wild. Bro, what is that? My question. What is this thing? What in the F? I ain't never seen shit like that in my life. Also super sick. I don't think the camera's really catching what I need it to catch because that's not speechless. I don't have to say. I don't have to say. I'm like a sick course right there. We're gonna walk inside and see what's up. It's hot out here. Update in a minute. Update in a minute. So we are out of here. Too much going on for us. For me at least. I'm tired. I'm hungry, I'm tired. Time to go edit some videos all day. Go sit down and enjoy the beach a little bit. So, take the shuttle back, we're out of here.